Hi Saurabh, how are you?
Hi Chitanji, I'm very good. How are you doing?
Good. This is now much better connecting.
Yeah, right. Finally, pardon my technological handicap.
No, it's completely understandable. I do it
You,
often.
you're too savvy with all these technologies and these platforms. I'm not.
True, I've been blessed with good people around जो सारा दिन ये टेक्नोलॉजी पे फोकस कर रहे हैं because I believe future is
I know
technology now.
future is technology. Absolutely. One really
There is
needs to
no
sort
better
of,
time.
yeah, absolutely. I think for all of us to get acquainted to this new style of working, this is the best possible time. As you
In
rightly said,
fact,
this is the future.
yesterday in one of the discussion with a lot of people from industry, from technology, from retail
Yeah,
industry, we were all talking. And
yeah,
one of the person was giving his feedback for real estate, especially towards the brokers and advisors, and he says something very interesting. He said that
yeah,
no longer you will be confined to a geographical territory when it comes to recommending properties
yeah,
and selling properties, because now anyways
right,
you'll be pushing more of your products digitally.
right.
So you can actually find good opportunities all over the country, all over the world, and bring it down with the help of technology, with the help of virtual tours to the clients. So this was very interesting as a feedback coming from the leaders. The
Yeah,
one
absolutely.
has to really
Even the old leaders
now
are now
focus on
kind of,
technology.
yeah, even the older leaders are now realizing the importance that they really need to sort of innovate and come into the new shoes if they want to sort of sustain.
Correct. I agree. So I remember your team was the first one to contact that now we are virtually available to meet you and your clients, whatever your queries are. If you want to do an online presentation, so your team was the first one to contact, and I was really good to see that how you're doing your
Yeah,
internal meetings, you're connecting with the clients, connecting with your channel partners. So this was a very good idea, and this really pushed me that yes, we should team. And now we have a routine that early morning we all go for a hurdle, and then later on we recommend our clients whoever has more queries, then let's connect
yeah,
virtually. We'll be able to show you some pictures, show you some presentations, the actual Google images, and interestingly, we can actually show a walkthrough starting from the key locations all the way to the project.
yeah, right.
So this is really helpful.
Yeah,
So Saurabhji, I
absolutely.
wanted
So,
to.
yeah, like you said that, we were the first ones. I don't know whether we were actually the first ones, but we were definitely amongst the first ones to do that. And, glad to share with you that, ever since the lockdown began, my team has done more than 1,000 such interactions with channel partners or clients. It could be perhaps channel partner team training sessions. So you can imagine
Yeah,
the volume of virtual meetings that the team has done. So,
amazing.
I mean, I can easily say that we're exploiting this available medium to the most optimal extent possible.
That's good. This is what the technology can be used as a leverage right now to connect
Yeah,
with everybody around. In fact,
that's right. Yeah,
I found these meetings to be more productive because there's less
yeah,
distraction and you're talking to the point. One is focused, one is able to ask the right questions, and we can help them share the current data and also take some data from Google and immediately share it on the chat, which is a
right.
tough task when you're meeting, interacting physically.
True that.
So,
Yeah, absolutely.
so I wanted to introduce you. You are
Yeah,
heading the sales in AIPL. You're vice president. You're managing commercial sales, residential sales in Advanced India Projects Limited. We know each other for a long time now, and it's always a pleasure, and it's always very helpful to take your advice when it comes to finding the right project, making the project so opportunistic for the investors to take advantage on. And at the same
right.
time, you've been very helpful in managing our client queries, guiding them properly, advising them on recommending them on daily basis, whether it's regarding finding the right project, uh, the what inventory, and recommending investors which is the right asset class, which is the right kind of project when it comes to their queries.
True.
So it's been a blessing, and I'm thankful for you taking time out and discussing this with our investors. We have been a lot of questions been asked to us from our investors, and I took advantage of it that let me represent those questions to you, get the right
Right.
information, and accordingly I can help my investors and many other people who are also looking for commercial investments and rather real estate investments. So the idea was that we'll ask you these questions which have come asked from the investors. We have shortlisted. I know we are short on time, but I've shortlisted few questions which I'll be really glad if you can answer them and give them the right recommendation to our investors,
Sure, Chetan.
which will actually help them to decide the right property for them, to understand what's the benefit of investing, and how post COVID the real estate, especially commercial real estate, will perform when it comes to appreciation, when it comes to rental lease, when it comes to rental yield for them. To start with, I wanted to understand um, what is you think is an opportunity right now for people who have small money and they wanted to invest in real estate right now, but they're always looking for the right opportunity. So somebody who's sitting with a budget of 25 lakhs to 35 lakhs, what do you recommend for those investors? Obviously, they can add more money, but right now they're sitting with 25, 35 lakh rupees. So I wanted to understand how real estate, commercial real estate, is an opportunity for them, especially in the other asset classes available. So especially a lot of questions being asked. People are sitting with about 25 lakhs, 35 lakh rupees, and they don't know what to do with that investments. So I wanted to take your input on that.
So you see, Chetan, we've always spoken of one thing that in all ups and downs, real estate is one investment you can count upon. Why? Because it is the safest investment. And more so after this lockdown thing, gets over, people will start looking at real estate as a more safer bet, especially because it brings in an element of tangibility, which other asset classes like financial or capital market does not have. We've seen the vulnerability of financial and capital markets, how people have lost millions and billions of their money in the fluctuation. So real estate is not prone to such vulnerable fluctuations. People will now realize this fact even more after the lockdown gets over. The reason for that is because each one of us wants some regular income, some income which remains uninterrupted, which should not get affected by the environment around us. So that can only be provided by having a tangible asset with you, and more so if it is a commercial real estate asset, then it gives you a much better yield than any other asset class. And when you choose such commercial real estate asset, the primary things one has to keep in mind is the product itself and the tenant. How good is the tenant? The stability of the tenant. All these factors will come into play. You see, people who would probably be holding on to good commercial real estate assets times are no longer dependent only on their primary source of income. People who probably working somewhere or people who are running businesses or something else, they have a parallel source of income to look at. It could be a shop, it could be an office setup, it could be anything. You may probably have to, I'm not saying that, your incomes may not get compromised. They may get compromised partially. Your tenant may come back to you and probably may ask you for a waiver or for a deferment. But it is unlike a situation wherein, because of this force majeure situation, somebody loses loses his job, or somebody suffers major business losses and does not have any income to sort of depend upon. So what I'm trying to bring here is the point that people will now realize the importance of real estate bigger and better than ever before. They'll realize that this is the asset class I need to have an exposure in. People who had invested in mutual funds, people who had invested in stock markets, them, if not all of them, have suffered major losses. We saw how the markets plummeted and where they are, and God only knows how much more time they will take to recover. Real estate, on the other hand, may see price fluctuations, Chetan, but the underlying asset does not get diluted. The prices of your particular asset may go down a little bit for the time being. But then if it is a good asset, if it has a good tenant in it, it is bound to go up, Chetan. So that's basically the gist of it. And to bring to, or to rather come to, the point that you asked as to what all options can be recommended to investors who probably realize the importance of having exposure into real estate and buying something in their budget. We at AIPL have plenty of options to offer, starting probably from as low as about 40-50 lakhs, and I'm talking about a retail option, and then going up to maybe 4 crores, 5 crores. So there's no limit to the kind of real estate asset exposure you can have for yourself. But such investment, the importance of such investment will be realized by all such people who were not looking real estate at all pre-COVID days.
Yeah. So I wanted to add on this. I agree what you said. Immediately after the lockdown was announced, I got a call from a couple of my clients, and they were so happy with the sense that they're still getting returns from their tenants. They're still getting returns on the investment they have done with you. And they were very happy with the fact that the stock market exposure, which pretty much everybody has nowadays, some of them has a very small exposure when it comes to with the help of mutual fund. The other ones have a larger investment when they go for all in a particular stock. But they were not happy that the prices and the wealth they had exposure in the stock market were wiped out as much as 35%. And that's a huge loss. So they've lost 4 years on their investment money, and the opportunity cost is amazing. So that's why the people are very unhappy with the fact they are losing money in the stock market. Yeah, sorry about that technical glitch. My Wi-Fi has been traveling since morning, so apologies.
No worries. Yeah, I think we lost you for a while.
Yeah, it was just switching back on. So what I was coming back to was they were happy about the fact that rent from the investors, the property is still there, whereas in stock market they lost as much as 35% of their wealth. Also, they wanted to ask me this question: will the prices of their property will come down? So my answer was only if you go out and desperately sell the property, which is not the right time, you might see your prices coming down. But if you've been getting returns, if you've been getting for long term, real estate always performs when you have a clear vision and time and you've invested for a longer period. So people were happy about the fact that the property is there, the return is coming on time. I wanted to ask you another question. You have mentioned about a huge portfolio available within AIPL, that you have small investment shop from 45 lakh rupees onwards, and they go up to as high as 3, 4, 5, 6 crore rupees. So specifically, a lot of people have been asking, and this is the question being asked by Dr. Rajat. He wanted to check if the investment is the total ticket amount something as a rate or almost ready. So I wanted to check what AIPL can offer within that budget and that opportunity, which is something ready. It's the investment of about 1.5 crore rupees.
Chetan, you're not audible properly.
Okay, am I audible now? Am I audible?
No, there is a perpetual lag, Chetan, while you're speaking. It seems, there is a connectivity challenge at your end. But I don't know if it is at my end, but I'm not able to hear you properly.
Is it getting any better?
No, still the same, Chetan. Still the same, Chetan. Not better.
Network. So let me.
Unfortunately, not Chetan.
Again, probably, or switch. Just log back in or log back out again, because the network here is proper.
You recommend pausing this conversation, Chetan? Is that what you're saying?
If you log out and log in again, so it'll probably be better. Yeah, sure. Just apologies, the network seems to be a bit of trouble. We're trying to connect again. Please bear with us. I have a lot of requests coming, a lot of questions are coming in. Let me try and answer most of them. Okay. So I'll repeat the question. Is it any better now?
Try speaking up, Chetan, yeah?
Okay. So I was asking, there's a client, Dr. Gupta. He wanted to understand.
Yeah, I heard that bit.
Okay. So what all properties can we recommend in AIPL with a budget of 1.5 crore rupees, something which is ready and secure investment?
Yeah, of course, Chetan, like I said, that there are a couple of projects, which are now nearing Of course, one of them is AIPL Joy Street.
Okay.
We are hoping to deliver the project by mid-year 2020. You know, if
Very good.
lockdown gets over the stipulated time frame, then hopefully, you know, you'll see that, you know, we'll try and target for delivery by mid-year. So that is one project he could look at. And since you mentioned that he has a budget of 1.5 crore, then he can even, you know, look at Joy Central, which is probably a little behind in comparison to Joy Street. However, locationally, it probably is a notch above Joy Street, and it also has an option of, you know, an office tower, which is called as Signature. It's an independent office block called as AIPL Signature. It's a 4.6 lakh square feet of office space development, you know, which could again give handsome yields, not just till the possession is offered, but beyond that as well. So these are possible options when we are talking of projects which are under construction. Joy Square is another option one can look at, where we have these serviced apartments and some retail options on the ground and first floor. There are a couple of food courts also which he could look at. And then of course, you know, we have some exciting launches also coming up once we resume office from our business premises.
Right. So I'll add to this, Joy Street and Joy Central indeed are beautiful location. Joy Street, the pictures you have recently shared with us, the project looks amazing, completely surrounded by...
Yeah, so I actually shared them with you because we got this recent photo shoot done with a drone. And you know, we were in fact wanting to do a lot more, you know, to sort of try and figure out how these images could be sent out to the existing investors, the existing buyers, and to the prospective buyers as well. However, because of you know, the logistical constraints, we could only send them over WhatsApp to our investors and to our channel partners. So my request to you, Chetan, would be to, you know, share it with all the existing buyers whom you've sold Joy Street to, and whoever is now looking at probably buying Joy Street. So these are some beautiful images, and since these are drone shoots, so these are not the perspectives. This is not how one has envisaged the project would come up as. These are the real images. And they look as exciting as they can be. Yeah.
100%. I also remember during lockdown having this conversation with you and the management, and you were advising us what all features and extra water fountain, the sculptures you are planning within the property to make it beautiful. It's indeed an amazing location. And one of the exciting thing is this will be the first property which will be offering a multiplex, which is amazing. This will be the first multiplex which will be operational in Extension Road. So it will bring in a lot of footfall, and that's the reason I wanted your feedback on this as well. What all brands you have already planned or in progress to bringing in Joy Street? Because a lot of concerns is coming from investors. They want to know what kind of a market this project will be. Will this be affected because of COVID, or do you think this is a neighborhood retail? It all depends on the brands which we are ultimately inviting in this project. So if you can share a bit about what all brands we are inviting.
Yeah, good question, Chetan. In fact, you know, very glad to share with you that almost about 70% of the leasing has already been done at AIPL Joy Street. And when I say leasing, these are, you know, firm LOIs or proper leases, and not just, you know, those initial letter of intents which are done just for the heck of it. So these are firm leases. I would like to share some prominent names here. As you and me speak, I have the list, you know, handy with me. So on the first floor, we've signed Barista, you know, the prominent coffee chain. The ground floor, we have the Raymond shop. On the second floor, besides the food court, you know that we've signed up with Food Quest. We also have a Super 99 there. Then first floor we've got Bata, Metro Shoes, Shoe Tree. These are all in one zone, because the zoning's been done in that manner that you have the footwear in one section, and then you have the apparels in another section, and then you have the electronics in another section. We also have something related to sports on the first floor. Yeah, on the ground floor, we recently signed up with Jockey. There are some opticals like Suvidha Optical, Optic World. So these are already signed up at AIPL Joy Street. In terms of apparels on the ground floor, we have Allen Solly, Louis Philippe, Van Heusen. Footwear, we've got Adidas. Coming to the F&B bit, in fact, on the ground floor, adding to the list of apparels, we've got Levi's. Fab India is doing an experience center, which is which is a very rare format. You would have seen that in Sector 29, where they'll have presence on all three floors, ground, first and second being dedicated to a Fab India, Fab Cafe, basically. Then ground floor also we have some F&B. We've got Chai Point and Chaios on the ground floor. We have a Supermart on the ground floor, which is Spencer's. And I was coming to the F&B bit, so we've got Percos signed up. We're doing Going Bananas on the second floor. Barista, I've already mentioned, is coming up on the first floor with the coffee shop. So these are only some prominent names, Chetan. The list is long and exhaustive, and you'll only see that better names will start coming up as we go forward. So there is no reason to doubt that AIPL Joy Street will emerge as the best market of Golf Course Extension Road. Not just because of the brands it will encompass, but also because the way it's been designed, the timing is just right. The project enjoys a beautiful catchment. There's a lot of inhabitation around. A lot of families have moved into neighboring developments. So, the project actually has a very bright and a very exciting future, Chetan.
So all the brands you have said, we are super excited, and I'm always been a big fan of street. That's the reason most of our investors' money has been invested, including my own. And I'm very excited, can't wait for this project to be ready. And adding to the list of brands, one thing I see as a trend, all these brands are only invited and designed in a particular manner to invite the residential neighborhood around, which I believe this is a genre which will not be affected. The purchasing power of these brands will remain consistent, probably grow immediately after lockdown, because everybody is been struggling with these kind of basic necessities. Unlike luxury brands, which I probably do see for the next 6 months, will have a less walk-ins, will have less purchases, and the sale will drop. But these brands which are coming in Joy Street are something which is very basic, and I believe the sales will only grow. And the smart strategy is that the multiplex will also invite a lot of footfall. So together, this project will see footfall from 9 a.m. in the morning till about midnight, which is a success recipe for any successful retail. So that's amazing. So also adding Joy Gallery, Joy Central is an amazing project towards the Extension Road. Joy Central, you've been offering office space in Signature Tower. So anybody who's looking for a longer lease and a lease assurance post possessions, Signature Tower could be an opportunity. And I also, you also mentioned Joy Square, which I believe is a perfect small retail neighborhood in Sector 63A, which will also be a great investment with a lot of upside available for people who are willing to invest for 3 to 5 years. So yes, so all these opportunities I will be sharing. A lot of people are asking about these properties. I will be sending them invitation about the brochures, and will like you and your team to explain them one to one. What are the opportunities, the presentation, the brochures, what all inventory is available, and how we can design an amazing plan for them.
I'm always happy to
So,
So,
also,
help you, Chetan, with that. So like I said initially that the AIPL sales team is always sort of proactively ready to take out time to do client presentations with any electronic medium possible. It could be Zoom, Hangout, WhatsApp, Insta Live, or it could be a normal voice call, or it could be a Skype call, or a call on Microsoft Teams. So we doing client meetings on every possible electronic medium. So please feel free to reach out to any of the sales team members, including me, to organize a presentation and to download the information to the prospective buyers.
perfect. Thank you. We'll be happy to do that. We will. There's a lot of questions already emerging. I will interact with them one to one, and will put your team on the job. Together, we can explain the customers better about that particular investments. So, one more thing I wanted to ask you about commercials. Then I have
Right.
want to ask you about residential as well. So, there's a lot of insecurities now with the investors when it comes to brands, whether it's a retail brand, whether it's an corporate brand who will be taking up the office space. Do you think that post COVID, the expansions of national brands which are targeted for a high street retail as a tenant, or international brands who are looking for expansion in India with the help of office space or maybe larger retail spaces, do you think this will slow it down the requirement of commercials at all, especially in locations like Golf Course Road
Chetan,
Extension?
we have to understand and realize one thing. The world has not come to an end. And this is not the first and the last occasion that such a problem has come up. There have many problems come in the past. Also, perhaps in the future also you would probably see such problems or similar issues coming up. So the world has not come to an end. We'll all go live very soon. The life will be back to normalcy. Even in these constrained environments, you and I are working. Like even now, we're having a chat. We're talking about real estate investments. So it's not as if everything has come to an end. Now, coming back to your question, whether companies will hold on to their expansion plans, no, they will not. Of course, there could be a little pause, pause to rethink, to re-strategize. But if every company or if every corporate would to just hold back their decisions of expansion, then how would the world grow? So that's not going to happen, Chetan. Every company will follow their roadmap to expansion. They may just take some bit of time to rethink, to re-strategize, and good locations, good products will always become good opportunity in those circumstances. Which means that if somebody shrinks upon their plans, if some corporate shrinks their expansion plans, which means that better properties will now be the only ones on their radar. So if a corporate was now looking at 10 buildings as an option or 10 retail developments as the options to choose from, the better developments will now be on the radar than before. So I think this is an opportunity. I've always maintained this, and I still maintain this saying that there is an opportunity in every adversity. So only the smart people are able to figure out the opportunity which is hidden in the adversity. You can go back in times and see that. In 2008 also, when the Lehman crisis happened, there were many who felt that the recession is here to stay and the economy will never bounce back. But you and I have witnessed how real estate has grown post Lehman days. It's only now that because of the pandemic, the global pandemic, we are all feeling that fear of uncertainty, that uncertainty which is looming around. But it is only human to sort of feel uncertain about a certain thing. All this uncertainty will get wiped off. You see, there is opportunity right now. People who smart will now look at this time as an opportunity to buy real estate, to create a regular income model for themselves. You know, the moot point here is that people should create a parallel rental income model for themselves, because that is what is a sustainable model. Like I said earlier also, that good assets and stable tenants are a sure shot formula to create consistent income model. And also, for a matter of fact, these investments are very easy to liquidate whenever somebody wants. There are always enough takers for good assets. And you see, rental incomes, Chetan, out of commercial real estate assets are usually, or I would say more often than not, are higher than deposit incomes. And it's an ever growing investment. You see, your financial products may give you return, they may appreciate, but more often than not, the inflationary trends beat the appreciation in the asset class. So real estate is the only asset class where appreciation beats the inflation over the long term.
True. You have an opportunity to enjoy rentals all along and still beat inflation, and maybe in some projects surpass it. So you will be actually on a way to create wealth, and ultimately, like you rightly said, this is the time people who are sitting with money is so happy and so excited that they can't wait this lockdown to be over, go and visit the properties and buy. Because all the successful investors right now are on buying spree. They are making investments, and real estate, especially commercial, is the best product. They can also create rental income parallelly, which which is a fact right now, because a lot of people are struggling with their active income. Had they have done investments in commercials, their returns would have been coming on time, and they would have been happy and not worrying about their active income. So you rightly said, and I like this point what you mentioned, that not every project will be successful, but if you have a good location, if you invested in a good project, you don't have to worry about finding a tenant, you don't have to worry about the prices, and liquidity is never a challenge. But we need to, and this is what I say, who you invest with matters the most, especially now, because you have to understand the project. You have to have a next buyer willing to pay you premium and buy that property off you. So that's why a good location is a key to finding the right commercials. So this is very helpful. I also wanted to check, a lot of people are excited, when are you launching new projects? So just to have an idea, is there any new opportunity coming in for people who wants to pay money over the period of time, but at the same time they're looking for a good commercial project, excellent location project? So anything you want
to say to those people? Yeah, there is, Chetan. In fact, had the lockdown not happened, you would have probably seen us doing a grand launch of our upcoming project. It'll only be unfair for me to talk more about it right now in a forum, wherein I don't want to be sounding like soliciting business, because we don't have the statutory approvals at this stage. But I can only tell you that a fantastic location, a fantastic product, designed by a world-renowned architect is coming up in Gurgaon, and at a very exciting location. So all those prospective buyers who have not been able to participate in our previous projects, though they have witnessed what kind of appreciation has happened in each of these projects, whether we talk about Joy Street or Joy Central or any other project, maybe you talk about AIPL Business Club also for that matter. Right. Which grew leaps and bounds. So for all those people who missed out the bus initially, here comes another opportunity. Let us just get back to our business premises and just give us some time to obtain all the statutory approvals before we can officially announce what this project is all about. And share more details. Yeah, and share more details about it. So Chetan and I will, keep engaging with you from time to time.
Yes.
And we can have many more of such sessions, not just electronically, but even on a one-on-one mode, wherein we can meet up
In
over
the
a
same
cup of
manner.
coffee. Yeah,
Yeah.
wherein yeah,
With
wherein
sanitizer
having a
and
coffee
mask.
together, yeah, is a constraint virtually. So we can meet at our business premises and discuss about the project in detail.
Fantastic. My messages are blowing. People want to know more about it. So yes, I'll be answering them their queries one to one. But we are very excited about the new opportunities coming in, especially people who think they have missed the bus. At the same time, they want to pay over the period of time. At the same time, they want to be in commercial real estate. They want to have the right opportunities. I think it's a blessing for them. So yes, I'll be answering your queries one to one. Coming down to home buyers' point of view, because right now, after discussing with all the key influential people all over the country, whether they are political brains, whether they are real estate builders or association members, everybody is super excited about this special real estate buyer community, which is called home buyers. They are not investors, people who are looking for a first time home, or probably they are relocating to a different city and they were looking to buy a house. So I am also very excited now because we will be launching our services for home buyers. You know, my opinion about investors has always been put your money in commercial real estate and you'll be a happy man. But I also realize that there are a lot of people who still struggling with the first house and they want to invest in a house of their own before they get into commercial real estate as a second investment. So all these people who are excited about first time home buyers investments for self-use completely, I have seen this opportunity and I've visited the location of a project called AIPL Peaceful Homes, and I must say I have seen so many residential projects because I do it as a hobby. Every weekend I'm there and I keep taking feedback from the investors, from the clients who are visiting the site. Everybody is super excited about this new project. You will be handed over very time soon. It's called AIPL Peaceful Homes. Beautiful lobby, beautiful community, excellent detailing work done when it comes to flooring, when it comes to woodwork, when it comes to inlay work. This is something we see in luxury properties. This kind of detailing has really shown AIPL's vision towards making the project acceptance to the home buyers. At the same time, the delivery shows that this is the quality you have promised and now you have over delivered when it comes to some details, when it, especially lobby, because I remember initially when you were launching this project nothing was mentioned about a beautiful lobby, and now it is the talk about the town. Everybody wants to visit Peaceful Homes to understand what kind of a lobby experience you have been offering. So my question is, Peaceful Homes is a great, very secluded, very beautiful location to have a house. But now post COVID-19, people have been in lockdown for 1 month, some of them for 1.5 months, and for most of us, it might be 2 months. So I wanted to understand, people have now realized that what all features, what all extra facilities they wish they had in their own houses. So I wanted to understand what is the delivery you are performing or promising or delivering in Peaceful Homes, which will be very helpful for first time home buyers.
Right. So Chetan, while you're talking of homes, I actually recollected a very interesting message I got from one of our business associates some days back. About it actually said that so far the only vaccine or so far the only medicine against COVID-19 has been made by builders or real estate developers, which is home.
Correct.
So we've all now, yeah, it won't be an exaggeration of fact that we've all realized the importance of having your own home, having your own roof, having your own shelter where you can stay safe, absolutely quarantined. You don't have to go out anywhere. You don't have to, fear the virus at all. and you maintain social distance as well. So yeah, it actually reminded me of that very interesting message. So coming back to more serious business, you spoke of AIPL, the Peaceful Homes. Glad to share that we received the occupation certificate for the project later last year itself. The three towers, namely Grace, Bliss, and Harmony. These were initially named as A, but we named these towers Grace, Bliss, and Harmony, and had the lockdown not happened, we would have probably have seen about 50 more complex.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a fantastic complex which has. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, do I continue, Chetan? Do I have you here, Chetan?
Yes, I can hear you. Am I audible?
Yeah, but actually your screen was paused, so
Okay,
I thought
so
probably
I
I
can
lost you
see.
for a while. Yeah.
No, I can hear you perfectly well. Please continue.
Yeah. So I was saying that the project has been delivered. The three towers have been delivered. Our focus now is on finishing the clubhouse as soon as possible so that people can use the clubbing amenities besides the other amenities which have already come up. The landscaping, the soft landscapes have already come up. All the jogging tracks and the badminton and tennis courts, they've already come up. We're now focusing and rather targeting to finish the clubhouse as soon as we resume, so that people can go and enjoy the clubbing amenities. There will be clubhouse comparable to any great clubhouse that you would have seen in any premium condominium. On on residential real estate, being or rather on this time being a perfect time to buy residential real estate, I would say that there's a twofold advantage at the moment. All the prominent banks are slashing their rate of interest. This morning only I saw that HDFC slashed their ROIs. So people who are wanting to avail bank loan facilities, they can get cheaper finance on these properties. Incidentally, we have a tie-up with LTFS, which is Larsen and Toubro Financial Services. They're offering some very exciting schemes. Chetan can help you connect with my sales team, and they'll be happy to share more details about what this scheme is all about. On that note, let me share with you in this forum that we just do not have the three towers which have been delivered at AIPL, the Peaceful Homes. There are two more towers which are coming up. And interestingly, these have smaller sizes and different configurations which can also be looked at. So people who are not really looking to buy apartments which are ready to move in and who probably want a gestation period, then these two new towers would solve the purpose. So Chetan and I and my entire sales team would be happy to meet you virtually or when the office opens up and share more details with you. But yeah, I would again reiterate this point that this is the best time to buy a home.
Yeah, I agree. So I've been speaking to all the leading banks in the forums and in the discussion, and everybody is now pushing a cheaper bank loan just to get the home loans more affordable for first-time home buyers. And I believe this is a really good advantage. At the same time, projects which are almost ready to deliver will have a great demand because there are a lot of people. Especially, I remember you mentioned about the new two towers. They are perfectly sized for a first-time home buyer. You don't need bigger homes like that.
Yeah, Chetan, in fact, I'll pause you there for a second. Chetan. Interestingly, we could go to the site a day or two prior to the day when the lockdown actually began, and we could do an amateur shoot. It isn't really a professional shoot, but since we are all working in a constrained environment now and making best possible use of whatever we have available with us to sort of market the product, I will share this video with you post our call. And
Yes.
whoever wants to have a look at this sample apartment, this is a new sample at the Peaceful Home site. It is actually a Zen Residences sample. We initially had a
Yes.
sample apartment only for the Peaceful Homes. Now we recently made a sample apartment for the Zen Residences. There's a amateur photo shoot done. I'll share that video with you, and whoever is keen to probably have a look at how the apartment looks like, Chetan can share it further with you. Yeah,
Perfect,
sorry,
sir.
I cut you short.
Yeah.
You can resume.
No, it's perfect. So I wanted to give this an opportunity for first-time home buyers. Zen are beautifully located towards the end of Gurgaon. That means you have much greener luxury view of Aravali's on one corner, and the other side is perfectly sized and priced for a home buyer. So anything bigger than that, you don't much need, and it's a perfectly priced. And with the help of easier payment terms, one can really look at a good deal from you. So I'm very excited about this as well.
Yeah, you spoke of views, Chetan. The views are simply stunning. I have some images which are clicked from higher floors overlooking the Aravalis. I'll share them as well with you. Do share that with people who are looking to buy homes, and they'll be only excited to see the view they'll be able to get from their apartments in case they buy these apartments.
Definitely, I'm looking forward to it. I already have about 9 questions coming in. People want to know more about this project, and I'll definitely help them. All this information you have given us, I wanted to appreciate your time and your efforts. These are really, really helpful both for investors and for people looking to buy a house. The key takeaways are that real estate, if you have a good location, you have a solid investment, nothing to worry about. Your money will only appreciate with time, and a good brands will be happy to part of that community, irrespective whatever the market conditions are. That means the good news for investors because they will have rents coming in immediately post possession and for much longer time. The second takeaway I got from the conversation is that you have good opportunities of ready investments, of almost ready investments. You have a good mix of retail, office spaces, and also the most important is the new launch you are planning, which I believe is also a commercial with mixed opportunities coming way. And finally, the opinion you have mentioned about first-time home buyers, the product of Zen Residencies. How can this be perfectly an opportunity for home buyers, rightly priced, rightly sized, and you have time to make payments, and the possession and neighborhood will be perfectly ready by then. You'll be moving in. So all this information is very, very helpful. I will answer and pass out all your feedback and comments to the proposed investors we have. I wanted to thank you on behalf of Golden Bricks. And great thank you to you, Mr. Saurabh Shankar, the whole team of AIPL, the management of AIPL. We are very grateful for this comments and this feedback. People are
The pleasure is all mine, Chetan. And my humble request and a plea to all the investors, all the prospective buyers is that stay safe, stay positive, stay away from negativity, and maintain social distancing.
Perfect, sir. Thank you for your time, and I look forward for a coffee after lockdown.
Sure. Likewise. You have a great day, Chetan.
You too. Take care. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks, Chetan. Bye.